Hey guys, in this video we'll install 15mm wheel spacers for this Tesla Model 1, so it is safe to run these wheel spacers.
If you use Tesla model wheel spacers, make sure the wheel studs are strong enough to keep everything in place safely. BONOSS Tesla model wheel spacers come with ISO grade 12.9 wheel studs. They are all approved by SGS and TUV. These SGS TUV certified wheel studs are completely safe to use. So, if you need a set of Tesla model wheel spacers to upgrade your vehicle, these wheel studs are the best handwear or safety. BONOSS forged wheel spacers are safe to use. Aluminum alloy 6061T6 and 7075T6 material brings many desirable properties: high strength, wheel resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance.
If you want to get this BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.